Hola, and welcome back to Hola Adventures in Spanish with Senora Lisa. Hola! Yeah. I have Leo with me right now. Today's class was absolutely amazing! Wait, can I say the word, Leo, please? Today's class was absolutely amazing. We went through the numbers in Spanish, and you all were able to tell me cuántos años tienes, yo tengo 10 años, and cuántos hay, how many are there, and you also were able to give me los números de teléfono en español, your phone numbers in Spanish. Ay, Señora Lisa, yo tengo hambre. Hay un taquito. Leo, yes, I have taquitos with me today. You guys, after we go through our cultural facts, we're gonna have una merienda, a snack, taquitos. Taquitos are really just rolled up tacos. They're deep fried and sometimes they're filled with beef or cheese or chicken, and they are so yummy. Ay, delicioso! Leo, all right, you're gonna eat as soon as we go through our cultural fact. Now, let's talk about family. If a Spanish-speaking friend told you he was going to a reunión familiar, what type of event would you picture? Most likely, your friend would not be referring to an annual event reuniting family members from far-flung cities. In Hispanic culture, family gatherings are much more frequent and relaxed, and thus they do not require intensive planning or juggling of schedules. Some families gather every Sunday afternoon to enjoy leisurely meals, and others may prefer to hold get-togethers on a Saturday evening with food, music, and dancing. In any case, gatherings tend to be laid-back events in which family members spend hours chatting, sharing stories, and telling jokes. What's your family like? Do you have get-togethers on the weekend with family members and some of your relatives? Do you have a family reunion each year? Tell me about your family. I can't wait to hear. You guys, today's class was great. Let me ask you some questions about numbers. Let's see. Leo, do you think you can answer them? Sí, Señora Lisa. All right. ¿Cómo se dice 3 en español? Tres. Muy bien. What about 1 más 3? 1 plus 3 equals 4. 4. Muy bien, Leo. Did you all get it right as well? Can you answer another one for me? What about 30 menos 20? 30 minus 20? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, Señora Lisa. Muy bien, Leo. You're right. It is 10. 30 minus 20 is 10. You're doing so great. Señora Lisa, ¿puedo tener un taquito if I can answer the next one? Okay, Leo, if you get the next one right, you'll get a taquito. We'll all get a snack, and then we can go. Here we go. The last math problem for you all today is 100 menos 75. Ay. You can do it. 100 menos minus 75, 75 son 25? Yeah, that's right. 25. Wait, Leo, wait a minute. Let's sing adios, and then you can have your taquito. Ay. Okay, Señora Lisa. Adios, mis amigos. Adios. Wait a minute. Are you all ready? Let's sing. Adios, mis amigos. Adios. Adios. Adios, mis amigos. Adios. Goodbye, everyone. Adios, mis amigos. Adios, mis amigos. Adios, mis amigos. Adios. Goodbye, everyone. Thanks for joining us. Bye, everyone. Here you go, Leo.